Ooh, hey, welcome back. This is site number 2 at 11 Mile State Park here. Last night, as I'd mentioned, on the other video, take a look up here. I'll put a link to it. But site 245, that was last night's site. It was a little rough with the mosquitoes. They were just, oh my God, they were horrible. They were so bad. So then we took a little tour around the campgrounds here, and we noticed that there was some other ones up here a little bit further up on the mountaintop away. So you got a little bit more views up here behind, a few more trees. But anyway, long story short, way better. I mean, we don't have electric here either, so it's another basic site. We just swapped a basic to a basic, but this site here is much better. Not that one was bad. I think it would be all right other than the mosquitoes. If you had a different time of the year, something going on, and maybe it was just that little cove, little inlet there that doesn't get much moving water in the reservoir. So anyway, let me turn this around. I'll show you this one here. So yeah, now we're in site 130, and oh my gosh, it's turned out to be fantastic. I mean, you still got some awesome lake views. We do get good cell phone service out here. I don't think I mentioned that in the other video. We do have good service with Verizon. I always say that just in case this is the first time you've come to this channel. But so yeah, with this one, the cool thing about this site, there is nobody. There's one site right on the other side of this rock. But other than that, I mean, check this out. There is nothing on the other side of this site there. I panned all the way around. Like I said, it's a basic site. No hookups, nothing like that. It does have a dump station, here at the campground, so that's pretty cool. You can dump. But the other thing, like I said, there's nobody on your left. The next site down, if you look, it's like, it's right down here. It is awesome. But here you go, little trees, some rocks to play on, little outcroppings in the back. I mean, it's fairly level. We did have to use the Anderson blocks for a little bit of leveling. I think it was down like a 3/4 of an inch. It was like hardly nothing. If we just scooted over a little bit more, we think we could have leveled it out. But yeah. So the site material itself, rock, as you can tell. But also the cool thing is, I mean, look, we're parked sideways off of the road. Plenty of room. It's a very long site, which is awesome. Like I said, it's fairly level, it's easy to do. But back here, got the table's not in the best of spots, but it's possible somebody moved it out of the way to have more space up there, which I get it. But your fire pit, it's like in its own cool little spot back here. I mean, look at this. You got your own little sitting area. So we're gonna bring that smokeless fire pit down here a little bit later, and bam, I mean, goodness, you can sit down here. There's the campsite. There's the Bethany's. Hi, Bethany. But I mean, yeah, you can't beat this one. And then it does have a playground. I'll show you a video of that here in a little bit. I've got to take a video of it, but yeah, I mean, that's it. Great, 130. Can't say anything else about it. It is an awesome campsite. All right, we'll catch you next time. Actually, it's tomorrow. We'll be heading to Jellystone and Larkspur. We'll be making another video. See you later. So 11 Mile has nice restrooms and actually has awesome showers in here too. So it's got, just to give you an idea. So yeah, now they are coin operated, but nice space for them. So yeah, this little house here, you know, it's got what, 4 of them here other than that one. So anyway, yeah, awesome space. So we're here at the Lake George General Store. Let's go check out and see what's inside. It's a cute little thing here. This is cool. They used to do ice transportation via train. Look at how cool this is. Hold on, Lincoln. And the ice mining operations taking place on Lake George. It's really cool.
Dad, I finally know where John got the walking stick.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, come see.
It's just like an old grinder, I bet. Bet it is. I bet that's an old, something like that.
Dad, come see.
Look at these old floors. Oh, this thing is just awesome. Awesome. Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah. Dad, look. This
Yeah?
is where John
Hey, look at the
walking-
walking sticks. I know we made our own.
No,
That's right, we made our
John
own, and you all can check it out right up here in the corner. I'll show you the link. So now we're just down the road in Florissant. We're gonna check out the Iron Tree Restaurant and Brewery right there. And it sounded pretty cool, sounded pretty neat. We're gonna check it out, and then we're gonna go see some other stuff like the fossil beds, the National Monument fossil, and then head down the 11 Mile Canyon. So more to come. Tree, here we go. Man, just some cool history in these locations. Awesome places to check out. Oh man. Woo. Yummy, can't wait.
Drake and Timberline.
So we are at the Florissant Fossil Beds National Monument. I'm just out here taking a quick little walk. There's actually some cool redwood, like fossilized redwood trees. Here, I'll show you a quick picture of one of them. But yeah, this area, so all of this, here you're seeing apparently from a volcanic eruptions had created a dam, and all of this used to be underwater. It was a 12.5 mile long reservoir or lake, whatever you want to call it. So anyway, it's apparently a big fossil bed, and just checking it out. So yeah, so here it looks like another one. Ah, the big stump. Dude, this thing is huge. I mean, it is big. Go here, I'll hold it. You can pause it and read it later, but anyway. Whew. 230 feet tall is a huge redwood. I didn't even realize redwoods were in this area. It's pretty cool. So yeah, so this is pretty cool here. So the top of a forest on the bottom of a lake. I mean, that's pretty neat. Is where all these redwoods were hanging out after a while. That's pretty cool. Now let me tell you, this walk was, oh my God, I've had to have gone 3/4 of a mile or a mile, which is not bad, but you know, we're at elevation, you know, probably 8,000 some odd feet. Whew, so it takes the wind out of you. But anyway, it's pretty cool, but just want to let you know that like this petrified forest loop is a little bit longer. So you just take your time. It's got a lot of informative signs on it. Much, you know, some really cool history here, you know, really cool. So, all right.
Pretty in the fall with all these aspens. I think it's a horseback ride.
Yeah, it's just $3.93. I wouldn't recommend. This was not the way we were supposed to go. But we're going on an adventure. Now we've made it to the canyon road. Oh my God, don't take $3.93.